Everyone budgets the rent. Almost nobody budgets the key, the deposits, the application fees, the first month due at signing, the movers, the mattress on the floor of an empty room. That pile lands before your first normal month, and it is why first moves fail. This workbook makes the cash before key number the headline, runs the screens landlords actually run, and plans your first 90 days with the winter bill already in it. Meet the shipped sample. Jordan Avery is demonstration data, not a customer. 23, first lab job, paid on the 1st and 15th, hunting 6 units. Every number you will see is the file's own arithmetic on that sample. The Hunt tab turns 4 weeks free into effective rent, commutes into dollars, and ranks all 6 on what they actually cost. The advertised price never gets a vote. Chapter 1. Riverton Commons advertises $13.45, but 4 free weeks spread across the year make it $12.42 effective, and at 700 square feet, the best space for money on the board. The tiny studio wins the raw all-in ranking at $14.08. The file shows both truths and lets you choose with eyes open. Application cash is its own row, because $225 to apply is real money before any yes. Chapter 2. For the sample unit, the key costs $4,365 before the first normal month begins. Deposit, first month, application and admin fees, utility connections, movers, day one essentials from the thrift plan, and a 10% cushion for the fee no checklist has ever met. That is 2.9 paychecks of Jordan's take-home. The right panel turns it into a save-by-move date plan, and when the date and the pile argue, the file says so before the leasing office does. Chapter 3. Utilities do not bill flat, and the seasonal spike is the #1 forgotten line in first apartment budgets. Type 1 multiplier per month. Winter heat, summer air conditioning, and the grid forecasts the year. $369 in January, $314 in May, and an honest annual number instead of a flat guess. The first 90 days tab even runs a stress test with the spike turned on, so the plan survives winter on paper before it has to in person. Chapter 4. Before any application fee leaves your account, this tab runs the screens for free. The 3 times rent income test landlords commonly use, the 30% burden line, your margin after essentials, and your emergency runway. Jordan passes 3 of 4. The verdict is almost, and the blocker is named. Save 1 month of expenses first. Applications cost money, and failing a known screen is a donation. The most useful thing this file does is refuse politely in advance. Under the hood, 739 formulas across 14 tabs, recalculated headlessly and read-arrived in independent code, 356 checks, all green. There is roommate math 3 defensible ways. A lease decoder that captures the 8 terms that cost money with the page number beside each. A moving countdown computed from your date, and an emergency fund ladder with actual dates on it. And one house rule everywhere. State deposit rules ship as cream cells with a source column, because a stale number in a confident font is how renters lose money. This file organizes. It is not legal advice. If the first place is close, plan it like it matters, because it does. The first apartment command center is $22.97 on Etsy. Link in the description. Instant download for themes, Excel, and Google Sheets. Free updates for life. Move out once. Move out ready.